Well, I'm getting a late start again tonight. I got busy inside and now it's dark. So let's see what it looks like out here. See how everybody's doing after dark. Oh, Kevin. What a lovely perch you found. Can I help you off the door there, Kevin? Of all the places to find. How about right up here? Okay, that wasn't the most graceful. Okay. You'll be able to see for another minute or two. There you go. Oh, you're going to get up there? That seems ambitious. Do your best. All right. As far as Kevin problems go, that was pretty minimal. Hi, Callie. How's my Callie doing, huh? Good to see you. Oh, you gonna be friendly with me? Yeah, you're a good girl. Hi, Billie. Let's see, who's still in here needing to be chased out? Kristoff, of all people, and Gwen. Oh, and Merlin, not surprised. Okay, come on. Come on. My fine furry friends. Out, come on. Out. You made me raise my voice. Out. Oh my, you guys have made quite a decoration on the food bowls. 100% out, Merlin. All the way over the threshold. And there we go. Okay. Whew. Let's get things cleaned up. These bowls are in need of a serious brush out, at least over here I saw. Hello, everyone. Whoopsie. Hello, Fergus. How's life as a little goat? Huh? Whoa, how you doing, buddy? Hi, Mr. Mac. Mr. Mac. Hello. Oh, Leia. You're just going to shove your way in there? Make sure you get your love, too? Okay. Let's get this cleaned out. And then over here, this we've made that one messy too. You're so helpful. Yes, you are. Get out of there, Merida. Really, Ahsoka? I didn't think you'd want to block that off. Don't jump. It's really rude. You need to control your inner jumping. You do. Work on that, Billie. Work on that. And we'll drain. Hello. That looks about right. All right, time for the 6-goat head fake. Here we go, over here. No, wait, it's over here. Here we go, you ready? Beautiful. That feels different. I think I want that to be. Much better. Whew. It is time for the herd. Red Rover, for Louie to come over. Ready? Okay, come on, Louie. You all in here? My pudgy little pals? Okay. I hear the scratching in the food bowls. Good night. Everybody sleep well. See you in the morning. Have a good night. You sleep well too. Would you like to peck my hand? Just for fun? Okay, there you go. Love taps. I can tell they didn't eat all their weeds out here. And they were yelling for more. Shame on them. Ooh, there goes a rabbit. Hello, rabbit. Ooh, this water was impacted again. All right. I'm going to have to come out and do something about that to fortify that so that the goats don't smack it in the morning. What do you think? Think there's a chicken there? I don't think there's a chicken there. Think we should check? Yes. I think we should do the chicken check. Is there a chicken? Chicken, chicken. Is there a chicken back here? There is no chicken. Chicken man or chicken check complete. Good night, everybody. Whew. Did I hear something? I could have sworn I heard something. I'm going to say good night.